In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Google AdSense. If you've moved or need your account associated with a different country, there's an important limitation to understand right away. Google doesn't let you switch the country on an existing AdSense account. The only way to make that change is to close your current account and then create a new one with the correct country and your preferred address. I'll walk you through that clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by signing into your Google AdSense account. Once you're in, look to the navigation and open the account section. From there, go to Account Information. On that page, you'll find an option to close account. Click that. You'll see on-screen prompts asking you to confirm that you want to close the account. Carefully review any notices so you understand the implications, then proceed with the closure. After you submit the request to close, the next step is simply to wait. Google needs time to process and approve the closure. You'll typically receive a confirmation notification when it's completed. During this waiting period, be patient and keep an eye on your inbox for any messages related to the closure. The timeline can vary, and until the closure is finalized, you won't want to attempt creating another AdSense account because having more than one active account is not allowed. Once you've received confirmation that your account is closed, you can create a new Google AdSense account. During the sign-up flow, you'll be able to select the correct country and enter your preferred address. Take your time here and make sure that information is accurate and reflects your current, official details in that country. This is important for payments, compliance, and any future verification steps tied to your location. That's the complete process. Go to your AdSense account, use the Account and Account Information pages to reach Close Account, wait for the closure to be approved, and then create a new account where you choose your new country and preferred address from the start. While it may feel like a detour, doing it this way ensures your account details match your actual location and helps prevent issues with payments or policy compliance down the road. If you follow these steps and give the system time to process the closure, you'll be set up with a fresh AdSense account in the right country, ready to move forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate the process with confidence.